Have you ever wondered why some people live to be 100 while others do not? Longevity, or the duration of an individual's life, is a fascinating enigma that has captivated our interest for centuries. It's not just about the number of candles on a birthday cake, but the quality of those years lived that truly matters. The pursuit of understanding longevity is an intricate dance between biology, genetics, lifestyle, and environment. It's like a complex jigsaw puzzle with numerous pieces that all need to fall in the right place to complete the picture. This quest for comprehension isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, but it carries a profound importance for the human race. Imagine if we could unravel the secrets of longevity, we could potentially enhance our quality of life. We could stave off age-related diseases, maintain our vitality, and enjoy our golden years with more gusto. Longevity isn't just about adding more years to life, it's about adding more life to years. Our fascination with longevity isn't new. It has been the subject of countless tales, myths, and legends. From the ancient Greeks fantasizing about the ambrosia of the gods to the medieval alchemists seeking the philosopher's stone for eternal life. Today that fascination has taken a scientific turn. We're no longer seeking mythical potions of immortality. Instead, we're diving into our genes, our cells, our very biology to find the answers. As we embark on this journey to decipher the enigma of longevity, we'll delve into the riveting world of longevity science. We'll explore some of the latest discoveries that are shaping our understanding of why we age, and how we might push the boundaries of our lifespan. So prepare yourself for a fascinating journey into the science of longevity. As we dive into the exciting world of longevity science, we'll explore some of the latest discoveries that are shaping our understanding of why we age and how we might live longer, healthier lives. The human lifespan has always been a topic of great interest and research. It's a complex interplay of numerous factors, with genes and lifestyle choices being the key players. Let's dive into this intricate dance of life and time. First off, our genes. They're like the blueprint of our existence, and yes, they do play a role in determining our lifespan. Certain genetic variations can predispose one to live longer, but it's not all in the genes, folks. Twin studies have shown that only about 25% of human lifespan variation is down to genetics. That leaves a whopping 75% to other factors. This brings us to lifestyle choices. These include diet, exercise, stress management, and even social connections. What you eat, how you move, how you handle stress, and who you spend time with can all add or subtract years from your life. For instance, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, regular physical activity, and strong social bonds have all been associated with increased longevity. Now let's talk about telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, a bit like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time our cells divide, these telomeres shorten. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes inactive or dies. This process is related to aging and disease. But here's the interesting part. Certain lifestyle choices, like a healthy diet and exercise, may help slow down this telomere shortening. The science of aging is a rapidly evolving field. The latest research is focused on understanding the biology of aging at a cellular level. Scientists are studying how cells age, and what happens when they do. They're exploring the role of inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular senescence, or the state of being old at a cellular level. While the quest for the fountain of youth is as old as humanity itself, modern science is bringing us closer to understanding the complex mechanisms that dictate how long we live. So the big question is, can we crack the code of human lifespan? Well, we're certainly getting closer. But what does recent research tell us about longevity? In the past few years, a plethora of exciting research has been pouring out of the longevity field. One of the most talked about areas has been genetic engineering. Scientists are now able to manipulate genes in organisms, from yeast to mice, and have successfully extended their lifespans. For instance, one study managed to double the lifespan of a worm by altering just a single gene. However, it's not just about tweaking our DNA. There's also a growing body of evidence showing the importance of lifestyle factors, particularly diet and exercise, in promoting longevity. Studies have shown that a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins combined with regular physical activity can help slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. But what about drugs? Could we possibly pop a pill to slow aging? Well, it seems we might be on the cusp of such a breakthrough. Researchers have identified certain drugs like metformin and rapamycin which appear to slow aging in animal models. Metformin, for instance, a common diabetes medication, has been found to extend the lifespan of mice. And a clinical trial in humans is already underway to see if it can do the same for us. Yet, it's not just about living longer, it's about living healthier for longer. That's where the concept of health span comes in. It refers to the length of time a person lives free from chronic diseases or disability. And the good news is that many of these recent advances in longevity research are showing promise in not only extending lifespan, but also improving health span. So there you have it. From genetic engineering to lifestyle changes, to potential anti-aging drugs, the latest research in longevity is nothing short of exciting. These groundbreaking studies are not only reshaping our understanding of longevity, but they also hold promise for extending human lifespan in the not-so-distant future. But is longevity always a good thing? As we delve deeper into the science of extending human life, it's a question we cannot afford to ignore. At first glance, the prospect of living beyond the current human lifespan is undoubtedly appealing. After all, who wouldn't want to have more time to explore, learn, and create? Yet, like many things in life, longevity could also be a double-edged sword. First off, let's consider the issue of overpopulation. If people start living significantly longer, the planet's population could skyrocket. This could put a massive strain on resources like food, water, and energy, and potentially lead to a sharp increase in socioeconomic inequality. Another conundrum is resource allocation. If we're all living longer, how do we allocate resources like healthcare and social security? Do we extend the retirement age and risk leaving older citizens in the workforce for longer than they're able to contribute, or do we maintain existing systems, potentially straining them to the point of collapse? Then there's the question of quality of life. Living longer doesn't necessarily equate to living better. What if the extra years we gain are marked by poor health and diminished capabilities? The prospect of extended periods of ill health or disability is a sobering one, and raises serious ethical questions about the right to a dignified life. Moreover, there's the emotional toll to consider. The loss of loved ones is a painful part of life, and the longer we live, the more loss we're likely to experience. This could lead to profound loneliness and grief, particularly in the later stages of life. So, while the science of longevity is advancing at a rapid pace, it's imperative that we also consider the potential challenges and ethical implications. We must ensure that as we strive for longer lives, we're also striving for better ones. While the potential to extend human lifespan is exciting, it also presents a host of complex issues that society will need to grapple with. So, what does the future hold for human longevity? As we peer into the looking glass of time, the science of longevity seems poised on the edge of remarkable breakthroughs. The future could well be shaped by new technologies and potential treatments that could redefine the human lifespan. One of the most exciting frontiers is the realm of genomics. Cutting-edge research is uncovering the intricate dance of our genes and how they influence lifespan. Scientists are exploring the potential of gene therapy to slow down aging and even reverse it. Imagine a future where we could essentially edit our genes to extend our lives. Then there's the field of personalized medicine. The idea is to tailor treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. This could result in therapies that are far more effective at combating age-related diseases and could potentially extend our years of healthy life. But it's not just about adding years to life, it's about adding life to years. The burgeoning field of gerontechnology is creating products and services designed to improve the quality of life for older people. From AI-powered home assistants to virtual reality experiences, these innovations are set to make our golden years truly shine. Of course, these advances raise important questions about the societal impact. How will we cope with a dramatically aging population? What will be the economic implications? And how will we ensure that these longevity breakthroughs are accessible to all, not just the privileged few? These are complex issues that we need to address as we move forward, but one thing is certain: the pursuit of longevity is not just about evading death, but about enhancing life. It's about empowering each one of us to live our lives to the fullest for the longest time possible. As we continue to unlock the secrets of longevity, one thing is clear: the future of aging is anything but old.